Welcome to this tutorial on how to list an item in Etsy, a popular online marketplace for handmade and unique goods. To start, you need to have an Etsy account and a shop set up. If you don't have one, create an account and set up your shop by providing basic information such as your shop name and description. To list an item, go to your Etsy shop and click on the Add a New Listing button. You will be asked to provide information about the item you want to sell, including the title, description, price, and category. The title should be descriptive and include relevant keywords that buyers might use when searching for your item. The description should provide more details about the item, including its materials, size, and color. Next, you need to add photos of your item. Etsy allows you to add up to 10 photos per listing, so make sure to use good quality images that show your item from different angles. You should also include photos of any flaws or defects to ensure transparency with potential buyers. After adding your title, description, and photos, you need to set a price for your item. Make sure to research your competition and price your item competitively. You also need to set a category and tags for your item, which will help buyers find it when searching. You also need to specify the quantity of the item you have in stock and the shipping details, including the cost and estimated delivery time. You can also offer variations of the item, such as different sizes or colors, and set a separate price for each variation. Once you have filled out all the required information, click on the Review and Publish button to review your listing. Make sure to check for any errors or typos and ensure that all the information is accurate. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button to make your listing live. Finally, make sure to promote your listing on social media and other platforms to get more visibility and attract potential buyers. You can also use Etsy's promotional tools, such as sales and coupons, to drive sales and increase revenue. By following these steps, you can create a successful listing on Etsy and start selling your handmade or unique goods to customers all over the world.